Want to create your own 3D masterpieces without a printer? Join us as we dive into the world of 3D pens. We'll compare the top 5 models, from beginner-friendly to pro-level, to help you choose the perfect tool to bring your 3D visions to life. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. MYNT3D Pro 3D Printing Pen. Looking for the ultimate 3D pen? This is a standout choice. Its lightweight, ergonomic design ensures comfort during extended use, while the modular nozzle is easy to replace if you make a mistake. For advanced users, it offers precise control with adjustable speed and filament flow, and you can fine-tune the temperature in 1-degree increments thanks to the OLED display. What's more, it supports nearly any thermoplastic filament, from standard ABS and PLA to unique blends like wood or bronze-infused types. USB-powered for flexibility, it works with plug adapters, laptops, or high-capacity power banks with 2-amp output. Though it's a bit pricey and might be overkill for beginners, its top-notch features make it the best 3D pen available today. Number 2.3 Doodler Create Plus. If you're new to 3D pens, the 3 Doodler Create Plus is a great starting point. Its ergonomic design makes it user-friendly for beginners, while dual speed and temperature controls cater to more experienced users. This pen works with flexi plastics, PLA, and ABS, though you'll need 3 Doodler branded filaments, which are on the pricier side. The package includes 50 colorful filaments and a detailed guidebook, giving you everything you need to start creating right away. Despite the higher initial cost, the included filaments and guidebook offer great value, especially for newcomers. Once you're comfortable, you might consider upgrading to the 3 Doodler Pro Plus, which builds on the same technology with advanced features. Number 3.3 Doodler Pro Plus. This is designed for artists and professional crafters who need advanced features. It supports a range of unique filaments, including wood, copper, and bronze, which other pens can't handle. This model offers precise control over flow temperature and rate, and it includes a variable fan speed to manage how materials cool and harden, essential for intricate sculptures and detailed artwork. The pen boasts a sleek carbon fiber finish and an LCD display for easy monitoring of your settings. While the Pro Plus is a step above other 3D pens and might be overkill for casual users, its advanced capabilities make it an excellent choice for those in art, architecture, engineering, and design. It takes a bit of practice, but the results are well worth the effort. Number 4. MYNT3D Super 3D Pen. If you're budget conscious, this pen offers fantastic value. It shares many features with the Pro model, such as a replaceable nozzle and similar gearbox design, but comes at a much lower price. The trade-off is that it lacks the OLED display and precise temperature controls found in the Pro version. Instead, you use a temperature adjustment screw to switch between settings for ABS and PLA, limiting you to these two materials. Despite these limitations, the Super 3D pen is still a solid choice. It includes a stylus, 3 colors of ABS plastic, and a 100 to 240 VAC adapter. Overall, it's an excellent value for those who want a reliable 3D pen without breaking the bank. Number 5. Polaroid CandyPlay 3D Pen. Check out the Polaroid CandyPlay 3D pen for a sweet twist on 3D pen technology. Originally known for their diverse 3D pen lineup, Polaroid now focuses on this unique gadget designed specifically for crafting with candy. Perfect for creating edible designs like cake decorations or intricate sugar sculptures, this pen heats up sugar-free candy cartridges, 48 included, to build candy creations just like you would with standard 3D pen plastics. Keep in mind, though, that working with candy can be a bit sticky. and the nozzle requires regular cleaning to prevent clogs. Despite these quirks, the Polaroid CandyPlay 3D pen offers a fun and creative way to use 3D pen technology for edible art. So, which 3D pen is the ultimate winner? After careful consideration, we've crowned the MYNT3D Pro as the best overall. Its precision, durability, and versatility make it a top choice for both hobbyists and professionals. But remember, the best pen is the one that fits your unique needs and style. Happy creating!